In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete all emails at once on Yahoo Mail. If your inbox has piled up and you're ready for a clean slate, this quick walkthrough shows how to select everything in a folder and remove it in a couple of clicks, plus how to undo it if you change your mind. Open Yahoo Mail in your browser and go to the folder you want to clear, like Inbox, Sent, or a custom folder. Make sure you're signed in and viewing your messages in list view. Whether you use the default or compact layout, the controls we're about to use appear at the top of the message list. The process is the same everywhere, so pick the one you're ready to clean. Click the small checkbox beside any one message. When you select a message, a toolbar appears above the list and a master checkbox shows at the top. That's your shortcut to bulk selection. Click the top checkbox. You'll see selection options. Choose Select All to highlight every message in the folder. If you have a lot of emails, Yahoo may prompt you to select all conversations in the folder, not just the first page. Confirm that to include everything. That same menu often includes quick filters like all read or unread, which can help if you want everything, not just a subset. With everything selected, find the trash icon on the toolbar and click it. Yahoo moves the messages out of the folder right away, and you'll see the list clear. This action removes the messages from the current folder and places them in trash so it isn't permanent right away. If there are many items, give it a moment to finish. Immediately after deleting, an undo banner appears. If you deleted by mistake, click undo to restore the messages. This option is temporary, so act quickly before it disappears or you navigate away. Before you bulk delete, quickly double check that nothing important is selected. Consider moving must keep items to a safe folder first. If you're cleaning multiple folders, repeat the same flow in each one. Select one email, use the top checkbox to select all, click the trash icon, and use undo if needed. That simple sequence can clear months of clutter in seconds. That's it. You've just learned the fastest way to select all emails in Yahoo Mail, delete them at once, and undo the action if needed.